Hello and welcome to the BMC Quick Course Series. My name is Val Garza and I'm a software developer based in Houston, Texas. In this session, I'll describe some new features available with MainView for WebSphere Application Server version 3.2. This release provides enhancement based on customer requests and the availability of WebSphere Application Server or WAS version 8.5 with a customizable Java 6 or Java 7 version. You can view SMF 120 subtype 9 records in real time, and you can see the CPU times for zips and zaps, and you can also run a batch job to validate the product installation. Let's take a look at the new features. Version 3.2 has added support for running the BCI, which stands for bytecode instrumentation, with Java 7. This was a requirement because WAS 8.5 allows for running 31-bit or 64-bit versions of either Java 6 or Java 7. MainView for WebSphere Application Server 3.2 allows the capture of WAS SMF 120 subtype 9 records, which are called request activity records, if you are using WAS servers version 7.0 or later. It uses a standard IEF U83 exit named MVW9 SMFX to filter the SMF 120 subtype 9 records and captures real-time data for only those records for the WAS servers that are currently being monitored by MVWAS. You can view the captured data immediately in summary and tabular views. The data is also written to the MVWAS history files, and you can retrieve it by using the time command. The new views allow for alerts to be issued for CPU time or elapsed times if necessary. To capture this data, you must ensure that the WAS servers must write the SMF 120 subtype 9 records. Issue the modify WAS SMF, request, on modify command, or set the server SMF request activity enabled variable to 1 through the admin console. Let's look at the type of data that you can capture. This is the SMF view that summarizes on URI Resource. Let's hyperlink on max elapsed time. Here we see details. To see identity activity request, security must be turned on. To see CPU count, activity request CPU detail must be turned on. However, we don't recommend turning on CPU detail because it can incur substantial overhead in the WAS server. MainView for WebSphere Application Server 3.2 shows zip and zap usage statistics. The BCI trace views show the zip and zap times for intercepted methods. From here, we will drill down into the method detail, and we can see information about zip and zap usage. The train hist views show the times for the transaction. Here we see the same zip and zap information from the detailed train hist view. MainView for WebSphere Application Server 3.2 provides a Common Installation Verification Procedure, or IVP. To run the procedure, enter IVP on the command line on any view. When you see this panel, enter the name of the PAS BBC Live dataset. The batch job JCL is displayed in an edit screen. Change the job card information and submit the job. Return codes indicate whether MainView for WAS was installed correctly. Thank you for your time. For more information on any BMC mainframe product, please visit the URL shown here.